Hello, welcome to the question 13A, second to last question in the series for the Gambia General Mathematics. We have a circular path, a field has a diameter of 8 meters, a pathway of the width 1 meter is constructed around the field. We have to calculate the area of the pathway that is around the field. So the first thing, let's make a sketch of the circular path or field. Then let's make a pathway around it and see how we can deduce that. Okay, so we can let this first one be the circular field. The second one is the pathway. So this area is the pathway constructed around it of equal width to be 1 meter each. So we are looking for the area here. Remember, the area here will be found if we know the area of the smaller field. We take the area out from the area of the total circular, which now look like a bigger circle now. Now, if this is a diameter as 8 meters, then it means the radius is going to be 4. If we know that from the center to the circumference of every circle is radius, then it means that the radius of the bigger circle is going to be the 4 we have here plus the 1 we have here. So if I'm to have here as my radius, I still have 4 meters. And if I'm going to have from here to the end, that will be 4 plus 1. That will be what? 5 meters. So this gives dimension for the radius. I'll be using bigger and smaller circle to denote that. So if I'm going to have that, we have area of the pathway will be equals to area of big circle, which is going to be area of B, minus area of what? Smaller circle, or like I say, small circle, which is going to be AC. We are finding the areas in there. But remember, if I'm looking for area, so let's say AP. So area of the pathway equals to area of the big circle is pi r squared. I'm using capital R for the big circle, then minus pi r squared, small r for the smaller circle. Now, if you look at that, you can see there's a common factor of pi. So let's take the pi out. I still have r squared minus r squared. So we can do it that way. I also prefer to use a difference of 2 squared in there, which is going to be pi into bracket r minus r times r plus what? R, if I'm to use a difference of 2 squared. So by substitution, your pi is going to be 22 on 7 multiplying 5 minus 4. 5 for the big radius, then 4 for the smaller radius. So 5 plus 4. 5 minus 4 will be 1. 5 plus 4 will be 9. 9 times 1 remain the same. So have 22 times 9 divided by what? 7. So let's see what that will be on our calculator. So this is going to be 28.286. Are we asked to leave it in any specific decimal place? No. So I can just say approximation as 28.29 are we in meters? Meter what? Square. So the area of the pathway is going to be 28.29 meters square. You can also decide to find the area of the bigger circle separately, then find the area of the smaller circle separately, then perform the subtraction. You come back to the same value. Alright, I guess concept is clear. Like, share, comment, and come back for the last one.